So I'm going to take this is my number 6, I want to say, yep, my number 6 Snap by Princeton. I still have this green in here that we can start off with. I'm going to add some water to that. And I'm just going to start laying in some leaves. Shape on top of the prior shape. So there's that one. Let's put something just with just the olive. Off the page is just fine. What we're gonna do, as those dry, this one we could just do just adding some variation here and there. twice just to kind of give it a little character. We'll do one here. And I do want some twigs. How is all of that wet? And that'll do us. Please remember to like and subscribe so I can keep my channel out there. And if you want to comment on what you would have done differently or something else you'd like to see either in a bookmark form or a regular something bigger, we can take care of that. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.